Okay, so here we have the Colchester 2500 Mastiff, and we're going to go over the carriage. You got your half nut feed, your power feed, your forward and reverse for the carriage, and your direction for your cross slide. From there, we'll go over this way. You have your forward reverse lever, controls for your power feed drive transmission, and finally up here we have our range of speeds for the main headstock. And that basically covers the functions of this machine.
So if we were to turn it on, see it working?
For an example, it's already in run mode. We'll put it in forward. Engage the power feed. It's now in the reverse mode. We'll switch it to forward. And then we have our cross. And our half nut engagement. Which is in reverse right now.